Yo, what it do, what it don't, what it is, and you already know what this is. This is Once We Are Not the Same, magazine dedicated to shit that I'm into, Zian. I'm your host, P Fire, aka P is for Pressure, and this is another episode of 2 Feet Bare Creps. And you already know how we gonna do it. We ain't gonna waste no time. We just gonna get into it like we're getting into it. So let's do it. And on today's episode, we gon' drop it like it's hot, drop it like it's hot. Alright guys, I know P lost the plot. Let's just elevate these so we can see what's going on. Let me give you a little close-up of this triumvirate, shall we call it, this trilogy, shall we say, this trio of goodies. Let's give you a little bit of that so you can see what's going on. Okay, my beautiful people, today I thought I would share with you 3 pairs that I've had varying over the years. They're dusty, they've been bloody, God knows where they've been, they're peeling, they're all a bunch of that. But anyway, shall we get into it? So I'll do a eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Okay, we're going to start with this one right here. We'll move these over to the side while we look at this here. So what we have here, guys, is an Adidas Cycling. You see that logo there, Adidas Cycling, and I'm going to tell you what year this is from. This, guys, I know you won't believe it, is from 2002. 2002, can you believe it? Just take the paper out and let's see. So you have this really rich royal blue body with all these perforations, as you can see, perforated goodness. You have the 3 stripes there at the back of the shoe, which is quite interesting. Made me pick these up. I was like, oh, that's interesting. And again, you see, equilibrium's a beautiful thing. Of course, you have the gold, let's just give you that, the gold Adidas Cycling logo right there, which is again another piece that made me want to pick it up. Came with these really nice laces, nice sort of aglets. They've held up over time, obviously. As you can see inside, maybe you can't see that, but inside you have the Adidas sort of trefoil all over. As you can see, let's show you the sole. Really, really beautiful sole here, guys. Look at that. They've been in our field. They've been in our field. If we was in your field, you'd notice that. Look at that. You see the Adidas Cycling right there. Let me put the cyclist right up so you can see what he's doing when he's doing. Really nice. And look at the stitching of that shoe, the sole at the bottom. Reminds me of a well-heeled shoe. Ha ha ha, boom to the boom. Okay, so that is a Adidas Cycling 2002. Okay, now let's go back to the Triumvirate, the Tricolor, shall we say. And what shall we pick next? We should say eeny, meeny, miny, mo. So now we're going to pick up this Adidas Trim-TRAB. So as you can see, the old famous Trim-TRAB, you see that famous Trim-TRAB sole right there. Very, very nice. Now this piece is, let me just take this out. This piece is from 2004. So all of you who think, oh, you know, people just jumping on this Adidas wave or whatever, you know, oops, sorry, that's jogged the old camera. These are from 2004. Not sure if you can see that, but yeah, they're from 2004. Anyway, you've got your classic Trim-TRAB. Let's just get these in properly, sorry. You got your classic Trim-TRAB sole right there, you know, with those I don't know what you'd call it, but indentations, shall we say. Of course, you got the Adidas right there with the Tricolor. It's not a Tricolor, it's a bloody trefoil. I don't know why I call it Tricolor. That's 3 colors, by the way, in French, and that's probably why I've said Tricolor. But anyway, of course, once again, you have that classic Trim-TRAB sole right there with the perforations. They've been in our field, they've been in our field. We know who it was. Of course, you got Trim-TRAB in the gold right there. These are 2002, so say no more, 20 years old. They've held up quite well, very good, comfortable. I kind of use these really for skating now, so yeah. So now we only have one left, and that is the Blanc, which is white in Francais. Okay, so we have this Stan Smith with the burgundy back heel tab. You've got the Look, Adidas Stan Smith there, so you don't have his visage on it, you just have the Adidas and Stan Smith spell out. Of course you can see the beautiful cracking. Let me tell you what year this is. This is, guys, 2001. So this is the oldest. So we got a 2001, a 2002, and a 2001, 2004, and a 2002. So yeah, this is a really dope pair. One of my favorite pairs. You got the demarcation for the three stripes right there. You don't actually have the three stripes, you just have the perforated lines going down to demark the three stripes. Of course, you got your lovely front bit right there. You know, look at that, look at the aging on that. Let me just see, it's like marbling, you know what I'm saying? So these are vintage now. You'd call these vintage, you know what I mean? I wore these a lot. I had a three pair gang. It was these, some sort of sea blue kind of color, and another color, and they were the gang, man. They just got rinsed out. I still have the sea blue. I'm not sure about the other pair, maybe. Truthfully, I don't throw much away. As you can see, the marbling and the distress and the degradation of the shoe right there. So yeah, I just thought I'd show you guys a 3-pair combo, just for the hell of it, just to show you some old Adidas shoes, man. You know what I'm saying? Of course, you got the classic old sole right there. They've been in our field, they've been in our field. So yeah, guys, this was a 3-pair combo of Adidas or Adidas, however you want to call it. And yeah, I have been your host, P Fire, aka P is for perfectly vintage pairs. And this has been another episode of 2 Feet Bare Creps. I hope you've enjoyed it, guys. Let me know which was your favorite out of the 3. Do you have any of these 3? And if you do, let me know which ones. Guys, as always, it's been beautiful. You know the coup. You guys are dope. Stay fly, stay dope. Look after yourselves. Leave your comments down below. Please like, share, and yeah, I'm gonna see you on the flip side. Gang.